Hello, my dear YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a very important topic in cybersecurity called Trojan Horse malware. Don't worry, I'll explain it in very simple words so anyone can understand. If you like learning technology in an easy way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's start. A Trojan horse is a type of malicious software. It looks like a useful or normal program, such as a game, app, or software. But inside, it has hidden harmful actions. Most importantly, it tricks the user to install it by themselves. This name comes from a famous story in history called the Trojan Horse story. The horse looked like a gift, but soldiers were hidden inside. Same way, Trojan malware looks safe, but danger is hidden inside. So the attacker uses our trust as the main weapon. Now let's understand how a Trojan horse works step by step. First, the user downloads a fake or infected software. Then the user runs it, thinking it is safe. In the background, the Trojan starts working secretly. Finally, the attacker gets access to the system without permission. Trojan horses usually enter our computers in these ways, through email attachments, fake software, cracked or pirated apps, malicious websites, or even USB devices. So always remember, free things are not always safe. There are different types of Trojan horses. Some open a back door for hackers, some steal bank details, some download more malware, some spy on users, and some lock files and ask for money, called ransom Trojans. Once a Trojan is inside your system, it can do many dangerous things. It can steal your passwords, track what you type, open secret doors for hackers, install more malware, and even control your computer remotely. This is why Trojan malware is very dangerous. Many people think Trojan and virus are the same, but they are different. A Trojan needs user action to work. A virus can spread by itself. A Trojan hides as safe software, while a virus infects files. Understanding this difference is very important for exams and real life. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you download a cracked game from the internet. The game installs normally, but in the background, the Trojan steals your passwords. You don't even know it's happening. This is how easily a system can be compromised. Now the most important part, how to protect yourself. Always use a good antivirus, avoid pirated software, keep your system updated, and download software only from trusted websites. Prevention is always better than cure. How do we know if a Trojan is already inside? Your computer may become slow, unknown programs may appear, antivirus may get disabled. Internet usage may increase suddenly. These are warning signs. Let's quickly summarize. Trojan horse is deceptive malware. It looks safe but is dangerous. It needs user action to work, and it can cause serious security problems. Finally, always remember this sentence. Not everything that looks useful is safe. Think before you click, think before you download. Stay cyber safe.